Look at that. Oh, 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 it's chilly, but look at that. Oh man, look at that. Oh boy, look at that. Oh man, it's fun. Haven't been on the bike in quite a while, boy. But it's fun. Look at that. Oh boy, look at that. Oh, look at that. My mirrors are not adjusted properly. Would you look at that? Oh man, look at that. Oh, look at that.
How we doing?
Hey, good.
Doing everything all right?
Yes, sir. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, man, it's been so long since I've ridden a motorcycle, I forgot where the pedals were. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Man, for real, it feels so nice. And tomorrow's supposed to be even better. I might ride my bike to work in the morning. If it's not freezing when I wake up. Because the sun's not even up now. Thanks, daylight savings, you loser. Look at that. Don't forget, children, this video is filmed in Mexico. Oh my, would you look at that. This video has no point, FYI. But thanks for watching anyway. Hit that like button if for no other reason, just because I said so.